welcome to our channel. Whether you're trekking through the Ozarks or just out there enjoying nature, our mission is simple: to help you become a better landscape photographer and to bring you along for the ride. Well, good morning. I'm not in the Ozarks and Steve's not with me. I went out to get the moon this morning, but no, it did not show up. Well, I should say the moon was supposed to be back there. It was a eclipse, so it was supposed to be a red moon, but it didn't turn out that way. So now I'm out on this boardwalk. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a palm tree back there I'm trying to get a picture of. But I met a retired Air Force guy. He retired and he bought his first camera, and they were out here. It's kind of cool. If I look towards the east, we got some sun coming up. So, yep, beautiful morning, but not what I was expecting. There's some fog. Let me show you my composition here. I've got this, let me get my stuff out of the way. I've got this one palm tree with the reflection. Trying to get that. I don't think this is going to be much of a video, probably be a real short one. But anyway, it's a nice morning. My wife and I took an airboat ride down this, it's kind of a swamp, and we got to see a bunch of alligators and stuff. I'm just going to be patient and see what the light does. I now know why Florida photographers are bird photographers. I'm standing out on this little dock, and bird after bird after bird flies by. I don't know if you can see them, I got these white birds. I don't know my birds, but white birds on the bank here. And then I'm trying to practice shooting birds in flight. The sun, there's a big cloud bank to the east, so the sun's not cooperating today. I did get the palm tree by itself. I don't know if those are cows out in the field. Lots of fog, and moon was a bust. So it's different. The landscape, I guess you have to know where to go for the landscape, but the photographer told me to go to Vera wetlands. He said you'd enjoy that. So I'm going to stay here a few more minutes, put some of my gear away, and see what other wildlife I can get. Well, I'm going to call it a morning. The sun has come up, and it was a different kind of shoot for me. I'm not in the Ozarks, but look at this sunrise behind me here. I'm ready for a cup of coffee, and then I'm going to head back to the house. Lots of bird photography. And while I was out here, 2 other photographers showed up. So this is going to be a short video, I think. Come back. Steve and I'll be going out here in the near future. But yeah, this was kind of a stretch for me here in the swamps of Florida. Okay, hey, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.